2 and y is -1. And you're just putting those into the equation and you're just seeing like, does this work? It's 2 because x is 2. Actually, let me do it. Yeah, -2 times -1. Does that equal 4? So you have to multiply here. 2 times -1 is, what's 2 times -1?
-2.
So minus a -2. Does that equal 4? Yes or no?
Yeah.
It does, because these
No?
double
Okay.
negatives work. Yep, it becomes
Oh
2
yeah,
plus
okay,
2,
double negative.
which is 4. So this works. Now that's good, but we got to try it with the next one. So 6y plus 5x, does that equal 4? So 6 times -1 plus 5 times 2, does that equal 4?
Probably. Hold on, let's see. 6 times. So -6 and then plus 10. So -10 plus 6. Oh, wait, no, -6 plus 10. -6 plus 10. Yes, it is 4.
Okay, so that one worked. All right. So the idea is that you're looking for the ordered pair that just work. You don't have to solve it. We'll talk about how to solve them, but for right now, you just have to put the ordered pair in. Is that okay?
How
Is that
would I?
clear or not?
Nah, I'm not sure how to apply it to the question.
Well, that's what I'm telling you. Like the intersection is where they intersect. It's where they hit. Let me see if I can find another one.
I'm confused on how to do this.
Okay. So let's try another one here. So the idea is that the system of equations here can be solved by putting these numbers in for x and y. Okay, so let's look at the first equation. And let's look at the first answer. Okay. And see how x is -2 and y is -3 here or not?
Yes.
Okay, so you're putting those in. -3 equals 2 times -2 minus 1 minus 1. So is this true? Is this true? -3 equals 2 times -2 minus 1. Is this true? So is -3 equal to -5?
Where are we getting -5 from?
-4 minus 1.
Oh,
Is this true?
no.
No. So that answer is out. So now we're going to do the same thing for B. We're going to use the first equation. And we're going to put this in for x and this in for y. So is 2 equal to 2 times -3 minus 1? What is 2 times -3?
-6.
-6 minus 1 is
-7.
Are those the same?
No.
No. So I want you to try this next one on your own here. I want you to put 2 in for y and 3 in for x and tell me if it works.
Okay, let's see. 2 in for y. Two in for y. Hold on, I need to find a clean piece. I think I wrote in all this journal. 2 equals 2x minus y. What would X be? Oh, I'd put in 3 for X, so it's 2 times 3. So 6 minus 1, so it wouldn't be true because it would be 2 equals 5, which is not true, right? And then the last, so it would be the last one.
Yes, so it must be the last one, but let's check it.
Let's see. So
Is
3
3 equal to 2 times
equals
2 minus 1?
2 times 2 minus 1, 4 minus. So yeah, 3 equals 3 because 4 minus 1. Yeah.
So is it kind of clear now what we're doing when we're putting the points in?
Yeah, it's a
Okay,
little bit clearer.
so here's one for you to try. Let me just snip this in. Basically, you just got to try the ordered pairs until you find one that works.
Okay, so how would I set this up?
Just like the last ones, you pick the first equation and just start trying the points until it works.
But there's 2 Y's and 2 X's. What do I do?
You try the first equation. You grab the first equation and then you try this point right here.
X times 2 plus 7 times 1 plus 20. So these are 2 separate equations?
Don't worry about the second one. Just try the first one.
Oh.
See if any of these points work in this first one.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15. So that first one wouldn't work because that's 19, right? It doesn't equal up to 20 unless I'm off.
Okay, so we're trying to get out of the habit of me doing the work there. You've got to be comfortable putting the numbers in, multiplying and adding. So is this true or not? 6 times 2 plus 7 times 1, 20.
No.
No. Okay, so that one's out. Let's try another one here. Or you try the next one, see if it works. Try the next one, see if it works.
Three plus equals 20. 6 times 3. 6 times 3. So 18 plus 7. So that one would not equal 20 either.
All right, how are you doing on this?
I'm doing the third one.
Okay.
That's the last one.
It is. All right, so now there's more though. So just because it works in the first one doesn't mean that it is for sure the answer. So 6 plus 14 equals 20. Does it work in the second one? Y equals 2x. Does it work here? Does y equals 2 times? So let me back up here. 2x. So now you got to try that ordered pair, and it's got to work in the other one. So is 2 equal to 2 times 1? Like, is that true? Yeah. there you have it. You want to try one more like this or not?
Yeah, I could do it more like this.
Okay, we'll do this one, then we'll kind of go back to the more standard approach here, but this is kind of the first type of question you'll see. So again, you just got to try. Try them until you find one that works, basically.
It's not the first two. I've done the first two. I'm doing the
Okay.
last
Yeah.
two.
Sometimes it's just process elimination. You gotta go through all of them, and hopefully you didn't make any sign errors or anything, because that would actually, be really frustrating to get through all of them and say, oh, they're all wrong.
It's D. It's the last one.
Okay.
Do they both have to have the same right answer? So would they both be D, or do they both have different answers?
Well, it like the way that these could be, it could be that they work they have to work in both. But if you only found one that worked in one, like that's probably good enough. So I don't know. Let's try here. -5 times 0 plus -2 equals -2. That's true. -2 equals -2. -3
So
times 0 plus 6 times -2. Does that equal -12? And yes, it does, because
yeah,
-12
okay.
equals -12.
The
Okay.
-12.
All right. So we're actually going to I'm going to grab a worksheet that I put, so it's available on my website. It's for solving systems of equations. These are the easiest types of systems to solve here. So give me just a moment to get that up here. And keep this going here. So let me find it here. Substitution worksheet. There it is. Okay. So here's a system that you might have here. Y equals 3x minus 4. Y equals minus 6x plus 5. Okay, so the most basic way to solve a system is to set the equations equal to each other. And so this is yet again why we learned how to solve equations like this. Now I don't know if we solved any like this, so I'll talk about what to do next. You move the variable from the smaller to the larger. So what I mean by that is, let me grab the equation here again. What I mean by that is you add 6x and you add 6x. And the reason is minus 6x is smaller than 3x. 9x minus 4 equals 5. Add 4, 9x equals 9. Okay, so you divide by 9 and get x equals 1. Take a look at what I just did and let me know if there's anything there that's really unclear.
Mm. You just use a smaller number?
You move the smaller to the larger.
Okay. So you add 6 because negative.
Yeah.
Okay. That makes sense. And then add 4 because that's a negative.
Yeah.
And then divide the 9 because it's the
So let's try another one here. Let's look at another one here. It's so y equals 5x plus 3 equals 4x plus 1. And which way do you move? Which is smaller? The
4x. No, you're not doing the ones with variables, are you? 1. So you
you
would
move
you move what?
which is smaller, the 4x or the 5x?
Oh, so you are doing the ones with the variables before it.
Yes, yes.
So you would subtract 4 from 5 and make that 1x, and
Yes.
then it would get rid of the 4x, and then you would subtract 3 from 3 and 1.
So
Wait,
x
hold on.
equals -2.
Okay, I was
Does that
gonna,
make sense?
yeah,
Okay,
and there's no dividing because it's a 1, right? So it's
that's
not
right.
really.
That's right. So here is one for you to try. And then once you get this right, we'll talk about there's more steps to do, but why don't you try this one on your own, please?
How do I set this up exactly?
Let's go back and look at the previous one. So here's what I was given. What did I write first?
So you don't write the y's at all.
Exactly.
Okay. Wait, go back up.
And it doesn't really matter which one is on the left or the right. I just chose the top one on the left, bottom one on the right.
Oops. Okay. Okay. All right, the other one.
Right.
So negative 6x minus 3 equals negative 8x minus 7. Okay, let's see. So the 6x is smaller, so you add 6 to both of them?
The smaller one is minus 8x.
Oh,
Minus
never
8x is
mind.
further from 0.
I forgot they were negatives. Let's see. So you subtract 8 from both of them. And
So you,
then
so you add
0.
8x. You add
Oh,
8x.
no, yeah, add. Okay. So 0, and then what's negative 6 plus 8? Positive 2. So it'll be positive 2 minus 3.
2x, not positive, 2x. 2x.
No, wait. Yeah, positive 2x, not negative. And then minus 3 equals negative 7. So add 3. Make this 0. And then that would make this negative 10.
It's negative 4. Negative
Oh,
4. You're.
wait, hold up. Am I doing,
I'm gonna be right back.
what am I doing wrong? Negative 7. Okay, I think I used the wrong symbol.
Okay. So you add 3 to both sides. 2x equals minus 4.
And then divide by 2.
Yes.
I did the subtracting and the or no, the adding and what's it called? Calculator. I must have pressed the wrong button when I got the wrong answer for them. So
That's
negative
a,
2.
the only comment I'll make is like everything we've been doing solving equations is it's like presume that you know how to do it when you get here. So it makes it really tough. Like you have to be really solid with all the things we've been doing to this point. And yeah, that's all I'll say. Just get better. Get better at this if you can. That would be the best thing. So let's look at another type of problem here. Let me because I want you to be able to get all the way through one of these and we're just not quite there yet. So here's a new one. Y equals minus 2x plus 3. Y equals minus 5x minus 6.
-1.
So x is -1, is that what you come up with?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so let's take a look here. So we're gonna add 5x to both sides. That's 3x plus 3 equals -6. This is where I think the error occurred. Subtract 3, subtract 3. So 3x equals -9.
Where was the error?
I don't know, but you said -1. I think -6, -3, you must have somehow got a different number here.
So add 5. So I have 3x plus. Yeah, I got the wrong number. Because I had multiplied it by 3.
They divide by 3,
Or not multiply, divide, yeah.
x is -3. Okay, you ready to try another one?
I think I was doing oh, I think I see what I did. I subtracted -3 instead of just subtracting 3.
It's okay. Here's a new one for
Okay,
you to
that's
try.
what it is. Let's see, 5x plus 7 equals 3 minus 9. So, oh wait, that's a -5, right? Okay. So plus, no, -3 and -9. So -3. So -8x plus 7 equals -9. Yes, okay. And then subtract 7, be -8x equals 16. Is the answer x equals 2?
It is x equals 2. Good. Now the good news is that we finally got through one of these, so we can go there because there's actually more to do. So I didn't know what to do. I didn't know if we could do this yet, but let's do it now. So once you solve for one of the variables, you have to go put it back into one equation or the other. So I'm going to choose this equation right here. Y equals 3 times 2 minus 9. 6 minus 9 is minus 3.
Oh, sorry, a bug just landed on me. Yeah, like a small beetle or something just like landed on me and died. Anyway,
All
yeah,
right, well,
I think I understand that.
well, let's take a look here. We could do a couple more of these and yeah, let me grab a couple more.
Why?
All right, so here is a couple more for you to try, like one more here. All right, so go ahead and see if you can solve this for X, please.
Negative 4x plus 2 equals 6. So add 4. Like it would be 10x plus 2 negative 8. And then subtract 2. So negative.
Just a moment, please.
X